a splash of color, a legacy of innovation. Introducing Asian Paints, a brand that has been adding vibrancy to our lives for decades. Friends, we all know that feeling of joy and anticipation. That spark of excitement when we decide to transform our homes, turning our dreams into reality. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, right? It breathes new life into our spaces. It's about more than just color. It's about the emotions and memories we create within those walls. It's about creating a space that reflects who we are, our personalities, and our stories. Asian Paints understands this sentiment deeply. Born in 1942, amidst a world at war, this company brought color into the lives of everyday Indians, offering hope and vibrancy. Starting small, they've become giants. Their journey from a humble beginning to a market leader is truly remarkable. Today, Asian Paints is synonymous with paint in India, a household name trusted by millions. But they haven't stopped there. This company keeps evolving, constantly innovating to meet the changing needs of their customers. They now offer a whole range of home decor solutions. From paints to kitchens to complete home makeovers, they're helping us build our dream homes, brick by colorful brick. Their journey is inspiring, a testament to their commitment to excellence. Let's dive deeper and understand what makes them tick, what drives their passion for innovation and quality. Beyond the brush, exploring Asian Paints' diverse offerings. What comes to mind when you think of Asian Paints? Is it the vibrant colors that catch your eye? Or perhaps the catchy slogans that stick in your mind? The vibrant colors, the catchy slogans, of course, but there's so much more to discover. But there's much more to this company than meets the eye. Their innovation and dedication go beyond just paint. Yes, they're the kings of paint. They've got something for everyone, catering to every taste and budget. From budget-friendly options to premium finishes, they've got you covered. Whether you're looking for something economical or luxurious, they have it all. Need waterproofing solutions? They have that too. Protect your home from the elements with their reliable products. Thinking about textured walls for a more stylish look? Asian Paints has a range of textures to choose from. Transform your walls into a work of art. But here's the exciting part. There's a whole new dimension to explore. Asian Paints is no longer just about paints. They've stepped into the world of home decor in a big way. Imagine transforming your entire home with their products. We're talking modular kitchens, stylish wardrobes, and even elegant bathroom fittings. They offer a complete makeover for your living spaces. They're offering a one-stop solution for all our home decor needs. Talk about convenience. From paints to home decor, Asian Paints truly has it all. Navigating the numbers. A glimpse into Asian Paints' FY24 performance. Now, let's talk business, shall we? FY24 was an interesting year for Asian Paints. The company achieved a respectable revenue of 35,000 crores. That's a whole lot of paint and home decor solutions. Their profit stood at a healthy 4,000 crores. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Remember the rising inflation we all felt? That impacted Asian Paints too. Raw materials became more expensive. This squeezed their profit margins. Despite these challenges, Asian Paints remained resilient. They streamlined their operations and focused on efficiency. They also introduced new, innovative products that resonated with customers. This helped them maintain their market leadership position. Hues of growth. India's vibrant paint and decor landscape. The paint and decor industry in India is booming. There's a simple reason for this. India is a young country. More and more young people are buying their own homes. And who doesn't love decorating their own space? This growth presents a huge opportunity for companies like Asian Paints. But it's not just about new homes. People are also renovating their existing spaces more frequently. They're experimenting with colors and textures. They want their homes to reflect their personalities. The rise of digital shopping has also transformed the industry. Today, you can browse through thousands of paint shades and decor options from the comfort of your couch. Asian Paints has adapted brilliantly to this trend. Their online platform offers a seamless and convenient shopping experience. So, should you invest in Asian Paints? Well, there are many compelling reasons to consider it. First and foremost, they are the undisputed leaders in the Indian paint market. Their brand is, synonymous with trust and quality. Secondly, they are not a one-trick pony. Their diversification into the home decor segment is a stroke of genius. This opens up new revenue streams and reduces their dependence on the paint market alone. Thirdly, Asian Paints has a proven track record of innovation. They are constantly introducing new products and technologies. This ensures they stay ahead of the curve and remain relevant to evolving consumer preferences. Challenges on the canvas factors tempering investment enthusiasm. Now, let's be realistic. Every investment comes with its own set of risks. Asian Paints is no exception. One major challenge is the increasing competition in the market. New players are emerging, and existing ones are upping their game. Another concern is the shrinking profit margins. The rising cost of raw materials is a constant pressure point. Asian Paints has to walk a tightrope between maintaining profitability and keeping their products affordable. The volatile nature of the Indian economy also poses a risk. Economic downturns can impact consumer spending, which could affect Asian Paints sales. However, it's worth noting that Asian Paints has weathered many such storms in the past. The color of competition. Berger Paints versus Asian Paints. No discussion about Asian Paints is complete without mentioning their arch rivals, Berger Paints. These two giants dominate the Indian paint market. Their rivalry is legendary, much like Pepsi and Coke, or Federer and Nadal. Both companies have their strengths. Asian Paints is known for its vast distribution network and innovative marketing campaigns. Berger Paints, on the other hand, is recognized for its strong dealer relationships and focus on the premium segment. This competition is ultimately good for consumers like us. It pushes both companies to constantly innovate and offer better products at competitive prices. The battle for market share is a fierce but exciting one to watch. Beyond borders, Asian Paints expanding global footprint. Asian Paints harbors ambitions beyond its home turf. They are strategically expanding their global presence. They have manufacturing facilities in several countries and export their products to many more. Their international expansion is driven by a two-pronged strategy. Firstly, they are targeting developing markets with similar demographics to India. Secondly, they are acquiring local paint companies in developed markets to gain a foothold. This global expansion is a testament to Asian Paints' ambition and confidence. It allows them to tap into new customer bases and reduce their reliance on the Indian market. However, navigating the complexities of international business comes with its own set of challenges. To invest or not to invest? Weighing the palette of possibilities. So, friends, the million-rupee question. Should you invest in Asian Paints? This is a question that many potential investors grapple with, especially when considering the dynamic nature of the stock market. The answer, like most things in life, is not a simple yes or no. It requires a nuanced understanding of various factors that can influence your decision. It depends on your individual financial goals, risk appetite, and investment horizon. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? How much risk are you willing to take on? On the one hand, Asian Paints is a fundamentally strong company with a dominant market position, a diversified product portfolio, and a proven track record of innovation. Their consistent performance and market leadership make them a compelling choice. On the other hand, they face challenges like intense competition, shrinking profit margins, and the inherent volatility of the Indian economy. These factors can impact their performance and, consequently, your investment. If you're a long-term investor with a moderate risk appetite, Asian paints could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. Their long-term growth potential and market resilience are attractive for those willing to stay invested. However, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the company's financials, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This due diligence can help you make an informed choice. Remember, friends, investing in the stock market involves risk. Market conditions can change rapidly, and it's important to be prepared for potential ups and downs. But as they say, no risk, no reward. Taking calculated risks can lead to significant rewards, but always ensure you're making well-informed decisions.